Hi dear students, this is Sonia from SICAS. Today we received admission letters and JW22 form from different universities. Let's take a look. Wow. Okay, there are 3 students' materials out there. The first one is the students from Philippines. He's applied for BBA Business Administration in bachelor degree. Congratulations. And the second student is from Ghana. He's applied for bachelor degree in law. Wow. And he has got admission letter from Wenzhou University and got the Type A scholarship, which is cover all tuition. Wow, congratulations. Third student is Odingo. This is my student from Nigeria, and I help him apply for Wenzhou University and help him get the admission and also Type A scholarship, which covered all tuition. Here, congratulations, Odingo. Congratulations to SICAS students. Now we're ready to mail them, and after receive the document, you can go to the embassy to apply for visa and come to China. Now many Chinese universities have begun the summer vacation, so if you are planning to study in China in September this year, you really need to prepare the materials and the budget to start applying as soon as possible. Come to SICAS and get your admission and scholarship. See you next time. Bye bye.